lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. On this channel, expect to see hairstyles for kids and beauty DIYs, okay? So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly take some seconds and hit that subscribe button down below so we can be family, so you can join the family, okay? Please do so, all right? And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making DIY vitamin C soap that can help you get rid of black spots, acne, and all forms of hyperpigmentation. That's what we are going to be making today, guys. So if you're interested, please keep watching, all right? Let's get right into the video. So first guys, I'll go ahead and get a clean plate. Then I'll also get one lemon. So I'll go ahead and peel off the skin of the lemon because that's what I'll be making use of. Also, I'll be making use of the juice, but right now what I need is the lemon peel. I'll go ahead and peel off the lemon skin, okay? Lemon peels help in preventing and fighting skin problems such as wrinkles, acne, pigmentation, and dark spots. It's also rich in antioxidants which tend to detoxify the skin to a very great extent. That's why I am using lemon peel, okay guys? For this recipe is optional. If you like, you can skip this lemon peel and use only orange. So this one I've gotten is enough. So now I'll go ahead and also add orange peel. There are a lot of skin benefits of orange peel. Okay, there are a lot of it. Orange peel protects skin from free radical damage. It heals dry, flaky, and itchy skin. It hydrates a dehydrated skin. It brings back moisture to the skin. In fact, there are a lot of skin benefits of orange peels, guys. So now after peeling off the orange, I'll go ahead and blend the orange peel. So I'll add everything into the blender. Then after that, I will go ahead and add coconut oil to it. Yes, coconut oil will be the only liquid I will be adding to it. You don't need to add water, okay? So after adding the orange peel into the blender, I'll go ahead and add coconut oil to it. And once that is done, I will cover it and blend until smooth. Yes guys, so I was saying guys, there are a lot of skin benefits of orange peel. Orange peel helps in renewing worn out cells. It works as a skin lightening agent by removing tan. There are a lot of skin benefits of orange peel. In fact, I can't even say it all. So now I'll go ahead and blend until smooth. Now once that is done, we'll move over to the next stage, which is getting a clean bowl. Once I get a clean bowl, I'll go ahead and add this plain soap base to the bowl. This is the one I'll be using. I'll be using this plain soap base here. You are free to use any soap of your choice as the carrier soap. You can use the normal soap you're using to bathe or the normal soap you're using to wash your face, okay? You can use it. It will still work for you, okay guys? So I went ahead and I cut it into small pieces as to let it melt easily. Once that is done, here I have my pot of water boiling. I place the bowl on top of the water. Now I will go ahead and add the blended lemon peel and orange peel. I will add everything into the bowl. So once that is done, I will go ahead and give it a mix. Mix it very well. Please be sure to use a bowl that is heat resistant, okay? Because if you fail to, once you start cooking it, it will break. That is if the bowl you're using is not a heat resistant bowl, okay? So I will give it a mix. I will mix until everything dissolves very well. So as you can see here, the soap has dissolved. Everything has dissolved very well. So I'll move over to the next one, which is adding my lemon juice. So now I'll go ahead and divide the lemon into two. I will squeeze in half of the lemon juice. So after that, I will give it a mix After mixing it, I will add the next ingredient, which is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has antioxidant properties that helps fight free radicals and delay premature aging. It makes your skin super soft and supple, and it moisturizes it thoroughly. Yes, so do add vitamin E oil to it, okay guys? So after that, I will give it a good mix. Mix it very well so that everything will combine properly, and once that is done, you take it off the cooker. So we'll move to the next stage, which is adding the soap into a soap mold. Here I have my soap mold. You can use anything to mold the soap into any shape you feel like, okay? So my soap mold is in a triangular form. I will go ahead and pour in the soap into the soap mold. You have to do this while the soap is still hot, okay guys? So after pouring everything into the soap mold, the next thing to do is to allow the soap to cool down for 1 or 2 days, okay? So now this is the second day, guys, and the soap has cooled down and is in a solid form right now. Look at it. Look at how it is, guys. It's now in a solid form. So how do you use this soap to get rid of acne, pimples, and all forms of hyperpigmentation? This is how you use it. You dip it into water. As you can see, it still lathers very well. Once you dip it into water, you rub it on your face, okay? After rubbing it on your face, you allow it to sit for 45 minutes. Then you wash your face with warm water and apply your face moisturizer. That's how I use this soap to lighten my face, guys, okay? You can as well use it to bathe if you wish to, okay? So guys, please, if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.